Phoenix Group proudly present its most iconic creation yet, Phoenix Kasaku, the epitome of luxury living in Bangalore. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. This is the real masterpiece of Bangalore, as Kasaku means the masterpiece in Japanese, as this is the Japanese theme-based project. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the tower. As you can check out, this is ready to fit out project with OC received. Now about the marketing office. So the marketing office is just inside in the ground floor itself, where the sales team will guide you about the project. Now let's discuss the project overview. So Phoenix Kasaku will be constructed on total 17 acres of land parcel with single iconic tower with 3 basement, ground plus 30 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK, 4.5 BHK, 5 BHK and goes up to 8 BHK sky bungalows, including simplex and duplex premium residencies. And now one more thing, this single tower is divided into 5 theme-based wings. And now let me show you which are the wings. Sora, the sky, which has a sky that is cloud-based interior work done. And you can again check out the lobby space. Now this is Neva, which refers to the earth. So it has a green interior work done. As per the earthy greenery theme. And now we are here at Mizu, and the color speaks out for itself. So it's a water-based theme. And the Mizu refers to the water. You can again check out the space over here, the lobby area. Isn't it beautiful? And this is fire. That means the fire in Japan. You can check out the beautiful and the spacious lobby, which is as per the fire theme. This is the waiting area. That is the lounge area. And now we are here at Zephyr. So Zephyr refers to air. That is volume. And this way has constructor. And this way has air to interior. And we check out even the space over here. So this is the lobby space. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located bang on Dr. Rajkumar Road in Rajajinagar, West Bangalore. So let me show you the Dr. Rajkumar Road. So this is the Dr. Rajkumar Road, and this road over the side will take you towards Yashwantpur, and our opposite side will take you towards Benipete. Now, about the further connectivity and location of the project, one more USP of the project is this project is exactly opposite to Orion Mall and WTC, that is World Trade Center. Reliance Smart Bazaar is 400 meters away from the location. Sandal Soap Factory Metro Station is 500 meters. Now let's discuss the amenities part. Phoenix Kasaku provides you world-class amenities with 3 large grand clubhouses. One of them is Club 1, and this clubhouse includes world-class amenities like of indoor game, business center, mini theater, 2-lane bowling alley, clinic, saloon, temperature control pool and many more. And now we'll be entering into Midori, the Garden Club, which is spread across 25,000 square feet, and this includes multiple amenities like of the reading area, cafeteria, music room, meeting room, lounge, golf stimulation zone, experience center. Here is the sitting area, including the garden area with swimming pool. And now at the side is the kids play area. Indoor games like table tennis and many more. Third one is Kazi, the Sky Clubhouse, 360-degree jogging track with a mesmerizing city view. Gym, yoga deck, infinity pool, kids pool, spa, business corner, mini theater, party hall, as well as a sky cafe where you can enjoy your evening with a city view. Now about the super built up area. So this project has 183 apartments in all. Sizes starting from 3,497 square feet to 12,833 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So the project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme. We'll show you the model apartment and the model sky bungalows as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Phoenix Kasaku, which is located in Rajaji Nagar, West Bangalore, a project by Phoenix Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.